Hi guys, still on DWM. We're playing around with some settings. ST is looking different now, a bit nicer. If we launch it anyway, like this. And sometimes you want to go back, really go back to the way it was. Now, if we do a scale, then normally you go back to what it was. Well, this is DWM. But this is not how it used to be. So it's still running and the DWM is still on the same place. There. It's your DWM, is the one that you changed with all the problems, etc. that you might have with it. So if you want it really back to what we have, you need to install it again. That's the easiest way. ArcoLinux, DWM, Git. Get it. And when you install it, look, it's being built as well. The same goes for the application we've been explaining to you guys. Is ST, which is a suckless terminal. That one we've played around with the settings as well. So if you want to get it back, again, it's going to be built. And I hope they'll fix these things, these errors, because it doesn't mean anything, it seems. It still works. So maybe some version or something. But the scale is there to get things from etc scale to your own system. So it's indeed, the configuration is there, but not the application. The application is somewhere else. Which ST? It's there. Which DWM? And it's now there because we installed it, and during the installation we told them build it and put it there. So if we go back and log out, well, we could have done one more SL status if you were playing around with that one as well. That's something we should have built as well. So it all depends. And yeah, we've played around with it. HDD, hard disk is not standard there. So if you really want to go for actual installation that we've had, so we're turning back the clock, basically. It's a little bit more than just scaling. It's like building. Sorry, ArcoLinux always. And then DWM and SL status is part of DWM. Again, being built, being put there, and a scale for the configuration that's from us. But the main thing, again, is the which. SL status. It's there. Check out the hard disk. It's not standard for us. Oops, sorry, that was a reboot, I guess. We don't like to see the standard of our hard disk, what's free. Oh, it's still there. I should check that out. But because of the fact that we have it here, free space, 20 gigabyte, I've already installed quite a bit of stuff. So why is this still showing? That's a good question that I can't really solve right now. Unless I go inside the .config, inside ArcoLinux SL status. When we did the scale, everything that's in the etc scale is now here. Check, right? And then if we do a make, we get this. If we do a sudo make install, we get this. If we do super X and log out, we do this. Then the hard disk is gone. I'm wondering if we have to change our package build of SL status. I'll look into that. But anyway, we have our own system back. The thing that used to be is back, and everything that was red is gone. But again, all these backups, every time you type scale, you get a backup. So one of them, probably around this hour, I had one that was red. And you can go and have a look and say, okay, compare. And do not check out what's the same. Do not check out what atom is, but do check out what the config H is of DWM. And yep, this is red. This is a red color. So my red color goes back in there. And this was also red color. We did not like the red color, but we did like the white thing here. You can put this thing back in here. Then you have to build it again, but that's no problem. We can type make and make install, and so on and so on. Well, we've done that in another exercise. The video is already long enough. But basically this was how to get back to whatever we had as ArcoLinux. But just remember, everything is an application. Everything that you run is not running from here. That's where it starts. That's where it starts. That's where it starts. But the applications are in user, local, what was it again? Somewhere else. That's where everything is running. All right, I'm out. I'm gonna check the package build of SL status, and that's it for me. Cheers.